Hey gardeners, did you know that cucumber peels can be a game changer for your plants? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing some creative ways to reuse cucumber peels and give your plants the TLC they deserve. Today we will learn how to make useful cucumber peels for plants. Benefits: 1. Cucumber peels are rich in potassium, magnesium, and other essential nutrients that promote healthy plant growth. They can help deter pests, improve soil structure, and even support beneficial microbes. Steep cucumber peels in water to create a liquid fertilizer. Let it sit for 24 hours. Then strain and use as a foliar spray or soil drench. Get creative with cucumber peels. And give your plants the love they deserve. Try these methods and share your own tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips and tricks. Simply chop the peels into small pieces and mix them in with your other compost materials. Cucumber peels can be a valuable resource in your garden. Add cucumber peels to your compost pile to create nutrient-rich soil for your plants. Cucumber peels can deter pests like aphids, whiteflies, and slugs. Simply place them around the affected plants. Bury cucumber peels around the base of your plants. As they break down, they'll provide nutrients like potassium and magnesium. Use cucumber peels as a natural mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. These are just a few ideas. Would you like more ideas or have any specific questions about using cucumber peels in plants? I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.